A big embarrassment that's coming in. In fact, the Karnataka Congress at this point does not even know how to defend this. Shocking CCTV footage has now emerged that has shown BBMP sanitation worker allegedly thrashing a resident in Bengaluru, only for asking those surveyors, why are you slapping stickers in front of my house without my consent or any interaction about this survey? It's quite clear here that BBMP officials who are carrying out this caste survey or caste census in Karnataka, particularly Bengaluru, are doing a shoddy job at it, are not really consulting with the residents, are asking them their credentials, what caste they belong, what age they are, how many members in the family. None of it has been asked. Basically just coming outside, sticking a poster in front of their house and walking away. So when a resident confronted those surveyors, we saw that resident got thrashed. The resident Nandish here in question says that he wasn't even spoken to before that sticker was pasted or it appeared magically outside his gate, and when he tried to ask, he was intimidated. And these are the visuals that really come as incriminating evidence against the BBMP, who may have been denying those claims that came in earlier. Last 24 hours has been quite embarrassing for BBMP and Karnataka government, where lots of residents in Bengaluru particularly have claimed that they have not been consulted on the caste survey, but stickers are placed outside their home. Outrage has intensified. Stickers meant to mark surveyed scheduled caste households are being found locked. In fact, many SC homes we hear are vacant, but these stickers are still appearing in front of their homes. Many unoccupied shops and making things worse, push carts have stickers like these. I mean, who does a caste survey of a push cart? Here for Karnataka at this point, this is really a face loss. In fact, civic worker in one area was caught pasting a sticker on a roadside pushcart, and that's what we caught here on News 9. And there was no enumerator visible there. Yet these stickers just appearing everywhere. Now facing heat, BBMP has suspended 3 of its officials. Revenue Inspector Ramesh, Tax Collector Pedaraju and Senthil Kumar have been suspended for dereliction of duty. The East Zone Commissioner has admitted, in fact, that the staff has failed to verify households and let stickers be pasted randomly without supervision or consent. But the sad part is Siddaramaiah at this point defending the exercise, saying that people should not panic, it's all fine, this is essential, we will do the survey properly. And if you have any doubts, there's a QR code on that sticker. So if you log into the QR code, you can also self-enroll. So was that the expectation here? BBMP pasting that sticker with a QR code, basically trying to say, if you want, self-enroll. We have not much to do. But anyway, let's hear it from the CM.
ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಈ ದಾರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ದಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಾತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಜಾತಿ ಮಾತ್ರ.
In every way, cushioning the fault of the BBMP here. In fact, BBMP claims it has already covered nearly 1.8 lakh SC households, identifying over 6.7 lakh individuals. But of course, critics there saying this digital fix doesn't justify the lack of transparency here. When I say digital fix, they're surveyors hoping that people who see that sticker outside their home will tap into that QR code and self-enroll. Then what's the purpose of these surveyors? Crores of money that's been spent on this survey, where is it going? The caste survey was approved by Karnataka Cabinet on 12th of June and was to be completed in 90 days. So it seems like they're trying to fast-track the process because there's a time crunch, and thus trying to justify the shoddy job. Of course, residents not very happy. Karnataka government, in fact, had already done a survey of such nature in 2015, and that time it had costed 165 crores to the exchequer. And at that time, that survey was believed to be non-transparent, and that survey wasn't even published, which is why the second survey has now been announced, and here you have it. Quite a sad story of a survey here. This exercise, which Congress really hoped would help their image, has done exactly the opposite. It's a total credibility crisis at this point for the Karnataka Congress. Let's listen into the BJP right at the center condemning it.
कांग्रेस के खटाखट फ्रॉड का एक और नमूना सामने आया है।